Welcome Eastside Grizzlies and welcome to Digital Whole School Meeting.
There are only 5 more weeks left to finish off the school year. There's still work left to be done in your classes. Keep on going to finish off the school year strong.
15-week grade reports are coming out this week, so get help, get your grades up, attend tutoring if you need to, and if it's mandatory, well, you better go.
Sophomores, juniors, and seniors, it is that time again, AP exams. Make sure to get a good night's sleep before your exam. Use review books that you have purchased to the full capacity to ace the exam. We all got this. Freshmen, your schedule will stay the same throughout this time period.
Want to be a Summer Bridge student staff member? Miss Mason is looking for 8 hard-working students to run Summer Bridge this year. If you appreciate what Eastside has to offer and you feel like you can contribute to the school community by guiding new 9th graders during the summer, let Miss Mason know. Email her or check in with her in person by May 11th.
Thank you for all who attended Mr. Redmond's play, Leading Ladies, along with the rest of the play production crew. Thank you to Play Production for producing an amazing play.
Moonlight Rollaway is coming up on May 18th, and it's going to be from 6 to 8 p.m. You guys can get your tickets for $15 by the stairs. Senior Committee is selling.
Attention Grizzlies, on Wednesday, May 16th at Glassell Park at 4 p.m., there will be a senior versus staff softball game. So come watch your senior class face off against the staff in a softball game. Sign up with Ms. Gausin.
All spots for American Sign Language college course have been filled in.
There are still 14 spots available for the college course, Administration of Justice. To apply, pick up an application in the College Center and return it to Mr. Jimenez.
Seniors, if you have not submitted your baby pictures, please submit them to this link. These photos will be used during graduation and during senior brunch. The deadline has been pushed back to Friday of May 11th, which is this week. Alright guys, we still have open spots for student government representative positions. If you want to sign up, please send an email to the email right here by May 18th.
Bye! See you later!